Welcome to our quick guide on roofing materials. Today we're exploring metal roofing, an increasingly popular choice for modern homes. Let's start with the pros. Metal roofing is incredibly durable, often lasting 40 to 70 years with minimal maintenance. It's also energy efficient, reflecting solar heat to keep your home cooler and reducing energy costs. Plus, metal roofs are environmentally friendly, often made from recycled materials and fully recyclable at the end of their life. But there are some cons. Metal roofing can be more expensive upfront compared to other materials. Additionally, without proper insulation, metal roofs can be noisy during rain or hailstorms. In summary, metal roofing offers durability, energy efficiency, and eco-friendliness, but comes with a higher initial cost and potential noise issues. For more roofing tips and advice, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. To find a locally recommended roofer, call 1-866-227-1231. There is no obligation.